everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So we have a new product from Ursa Major to show you. It is a new deodorant. So this is a spray deodorant. It's actually the first spray deodorant we've had in 13 years of business. So it's a nice little addition to our product lineup. So as with all Ursa Major products, it is a completely natural product. It is also alcohol and aluminum free and also baking soda free if you're sensitive to that. So the way that this deodorant works is with a whole bunch of different plants, minerals and enzymes, and those help to keep you feeling fresh and not smelling funky. So it is a completely natural spray, not an aerosol spray, so good for travel in that sense, and also a great size for travel, good for your gym bag. Scent wise, it smells really nice. It's a blend of sage, geranium, sandalwood and lemon myrtle. So it's just a little spray like that. Oh, there we go, that's a new tester there. So it's a really nice light mist. You just spritz it on your pits. I'm going to trademark that, and you are good to go. Yeah, so it smells, that smells really good, so I quite like it. This is the first, it just arrived in Canada. It's actually been out for a while, but the distributor in Canada just got it. I did have the chance to try it out a few months ago. A nice friend brought one from the US for me to try. Yeah, I used the whole thing and I enjoyed it. So if you're on the market for a new deodorant, check it out, the Ursa Major Sublime Sage Spray Deodorant on shopmasc.com and of course in our store in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.